Today we are making real Kwek-Kwek Filipino street food, but made at home. It's bright, it's crispy, it's delicious. Served hot with thick, spicy vinegar sauce, Kwek-Kwek is one of the most loved foods in the Philippines. It's unique to the Philippines, and today we're making it from scratch, right here, right in our kitchen. We're starting with 24 quail eggs. Boil them all at once. Just cover the water, bring to the boil and cook for 4 minutes. As soon as they're done, get them straight into the cool water. This stops them from overcooking and makes peeling easier. Take your time peeling, don't rush. These little eggs are delicate, delicious, but they do break, and that hurts the soul. We've started with 24 eggs. They've all been boiled, they've all been rested. Now, this is the important part. Take your time peeling the eggs, because as I said before, don't rush. These little eggs are delicate. We've already had one that's burst, and well, it's still delicious, but it's not the same, is it? If it bursts, it dies and it kills the soul. We've taken off the shells, and now we're going to do 2 layers. This is the flour with the egg. As you can see, Shay's doing it perfectly. Once we've done that, we're going to add the next coating. That is the signature recipe for Kwek-Kwek. We're going to use orange flour. Now it's orange batter time. The flour is there. The cornstarch is going in. There's more seasonings going in. You add water to start the coating together. If you find it's too wet or too dry, as you go along, you can also add more water, more flour if you need to. The important thing is you want to get the balance between sticky but manageable, and of course if it's too wet, then well, it won't stick with it. Well guys, as you can see, it's perfectly battered, and now for the extra ingredients. The start of the show to make it Kwek-Kwek style and orange and delicious. Also guys, when you're covering the batter, make sure you coat each egg fully. When you put the eggs in, dip it so that the batter clings to the egg and it doesn't drip off and fall off and break away like a broken promise. Heat up your oil first. Medium heat is enough. Test it with a drip of batter. If it sizzles, you're good to go. Drop the eggs in one by one. Drop the eggs in one by one. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry in batches, because just like a beautiful beach in the Philippines, nobody likes it when it's overcrowded. Turn them gently as you cook. You want them to be crunchy on all sides. That's one way to tell whether it's been cooked correctly or not. Once they've been lifted out, put them to the side, let them drain. They should feel crispy but not soggy. If you've never had it before, Kwek-Kwek is deep fried quail's eggs in an orange batter, crunchy on the outside, soft and rich inside. You'll find it on almost every Filipino street corner, especially near schools and markets and other places where there's lots of people. It's loud, it's messy, it's cheap and absolutely addictive. And yes, it's the bright orange on purpose. So this is the sauce. Add in a small saucepan over a low heat soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, sugar, garlic and pepper. Once the sugar has dissolved, add cornstarch slurry, simmer for 1 to 2 minutes until slightly thickened. This is the taste part. Do you like it super sweet? If not, add a little bit of water. Too strong? Add more sugar and soy sauce. This will balance out the flavour and make it just right for the delicious Kwek-Kwek. Well, we've spent time in the kitchen, we've made it, it's ready. Here is the Kwek-Kwek, and this is actually not my drink, this is the sauce. As you can see, it's got the garlic, it's got the soy sauce, it's got the sugar, and then, well, it's perfect for the Kwek-Kwek. Unique to the Philippines, very delicious, found in pretty much all of the streets. Wherever you hear balut, there's going to be a Kwek-Kwek vendor nearby as well. Let's try it, shall we? Smells delicious, looks delicious. Tastes delicious. Wow. Perfect. The batter is crispy, so you have that on the outside. The quail, the flavour of the quail comes through. It's sweet because of the sauce. Once again, another 10 out of 10 for the Philippines. Absolutely delicious street food. That's a wrap. I've got a question for you guys. When you have your street food, what do you eat your Kwek-Kwek with? Do you eat this with sweet and sour sauce, or do you prefer the spicy vinegar? I prefer the spicy vinegar when we have balut, but with this one I prefer the sweet sauce. Let me know in the comments. That's a wrap. So we've tried the street food of Kwek-Kwek. What other street foods would you like me to see? And if you're not from the Philippines, tell me, what is your favourite street food? Because I want to try all the street foods in every single country. I've been to over 40 countries. Between us, we've been to 40 countries plus. I want to try all of the street food. I want to make it here, right here in the kitchen, and try it with you guys. And maybe we can have a little bit of a cultural swap. So yeah, let me know in the comments what your street food is and what's your favourite street food. And like, subscribe, and share this video with people. And until the next time, Ingat Ka.